Alright, man, I gotta step back here, get it all in here. Check it out. 1976 Caprice. 4-door, but you know, would have been cool. It would have been really cool if it would have been 2-door. But still, though, man, it's a solid car. It's a pretty damn solid car right here, man. Let's check it out. Look at that. That front end does not appear to have any damage. Headlight bezels look good. Grill looks okay. Little dents here, right here, and not too bad. Oh, we got a little cracked here. They put a little, missing a little piece here, and that broke right there. Maybe did she take a hit? She may have taken a hit here. Maybe. I don't know. But still, look at that. That hood's got some dings on it. I can see one there. I think. I see a couple other ones over there. Right over there. But still, man, pretty straight car. I don't know if she's got the full set of the hubcaps too. Oh, there she had a little dent right here. I can feel that one. Glass is cracked. Front windshield's cracked. Trim. It's all there. I think she looks pretty solid on the top. Let's see. Oh, she got a hole there, a couple little holes. She's probably got some rust there. She have a top. She thinks she had a top at one point. Yeah, she had a top at one point, but it doesn't appear to be too bad. Back window's in good shape. Yeah, man, straight car for the most part. Missing the emblem there. Back up here. Oh, crap. Be careful. Tail panel. Yeah, it's cracked there on the tail light. Got a little ding there. I mean, you know, I'll probably still use it though. See some dings on the bumper there. Still though, man, I drive this thing. A little ding here, that's from the inside. Something hit it. Something hit it from the inside out. Yeah, I think she does have a full set of the hubcaps. This seems solid, man, right here. I don't know if they were. Yeah. I think all the glass except for the windshield is good. And the windshield's just got the crack on that one corner. Yeah, solid. Look at that. Look at that. Look underneath real quick. Hard to see, but oh, yeah, she's solid, man. Let me look under. I love this yard, man. Crap everywhere. Oh, I think. Oh, this is damaged here. Oh, that sucks right here. This part right here. It's not too bad though. I do see a little bit. I see some little issues there. Let me go. Can't look on the other side, I don't think. Yeah, I think this one probably got a little bit of rust on the floor. So I got the keys to this one too, but bunch of crap that was back here. Samples, random stuff. Like stuff to fix the car. It's like a carburetor kit. A Delco one too. Here are the skirts for it. That one looks to be in good shape, and so does this one. Cleaning supplies. See the jack. Could have been at one point a fuel pump. What's that, sending unit? There you go. Borg Warner. Delco cap. What's this? See another Delco. What do you call it? The carburetor kit. Yeah. Also found a brand new, it's a cheap one made in China. Brake hose for, I think, the front end, I think. Yeah, this deckle's got a ding right here, but other than that, looks pretty solid. Underneath, definitely looks solid underneath. Yeah. Channel. We're starting to get some issues here. It probably could still be saved if they got on it quickly. The rest of the channel actually looks pretty decent. Yeah. Inside, not too bad. I mean, you know, probably clean it up. This back seat's not in bad shape. She's funky, I can tell you that. I can smell it. Headliner is surprisingly in good shape. Doesn't appear to be ripped at all. No. Your vent. Yeah, not too bad, man. This panel, not too bad either. Let's back. Oh, let's back up even further. Nope, no more. Yeah, I don't know what the deal, man. They got this. Cut all that. That sucks. Let me have a seat real quick, if I can. There we go. Like so. That would look nice, man. I messed that up. Damn it. Your radio, AM, FM. Yeah. Clock. The dash has a cap over it. I was like, man, that dash doesn't have any cracks. Yeah, but it does. It's got a dash cap over it. I can see it. Yeah, dash cap. Still though, you know, can't complain. That Okay, I guess it's up on this side over here. What else down here? Ooh, got a screwdriver. I wonder if these keys work for it too. What else we got? What's this? Napa filter. Is that a fuel filter? Yeah, a little fuel filter. Would this have been made here or made in China? Where was this made? Let's see. I think it was made in Mexico. No, made in India. We got a transmission filter. And I don't know what that is. Let's put this thing over here. And we got what the deal is this? I don't know. Try to turn it on. Hater blockers. Gotta hit hater blockers. Oh, man, these things are made in France. Wow, look at that. Got fancy. Got fancy. Parlez-vous français? Mais je ne parle français muy bien. If I can remember my French from back in high school and college. What's this? Oh, this right here is for your, when this thing goes bad. Yeah. Yeah, it's like for your ignition. Yeah, rod would go right in there. It's like break into them. Get it through there. Is this the thing for it? I don't know. I don't know. And what do we got here? Oh, another one. Yeah, another. This the original. Anyhow, I think that's it. Inside, man. Sun visors are all right. Let's take a quick gander under the hood. Video's getting up there. How's that door panel? That door panel looks good too, man. So does that one over there. Yeah. I mean, you know, it's got a little wear. All the seats are gonna wear this spot. You know, it's just the way it is. I don't know if we're gonna be able to get that VIN. Probably not. I can't see it. Yeah, I can't even see it. There's nothing here, right? No VIN there. Sorry guys, can't get the VIN. I can't even see it. Damn it. Take a look under the hood. I can open it. Pretty quick. Let's say 1976. It says 350 to 400 cubic inch, 4 barrel. So what is it? A 350 or a 400? Is it 350 or 400? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Ow. But looks to be all there. Yes, it does. Let's see if I saw a freaking data tag, but I guess they don't have them on this one. They didn't put them on these by this time. But there might have been one here. Nope, no data tag unless on the other side. Could have been this side? I don't think so. Man, I really wanted to get that VIN. Crap. Give us a little more information on it. But there it is, man. Hood closes good. Wow. I wonder what's gonna happen. We'll get crushed, part it out, and then crushed, or will somebody step up to the plate? I don't know. Alright, man, that's gonna do it for this one. On to the next one.